Do you mind backing it up? Can you rev it too?
Once I get it out the door.
Okay.
Hey, what's going on everyone? For today's video, I'm going to be taking my 2018 Mustang to the muffler shop to get a muffler delete and a resonator delete. I'm also going to show you what the new exhaust sounds like in different scenarios. It sounds a lot louder. The first mod is an X-pipe. This will replace the factory resonator. The resonator is located towards the center of the car, and it's also known as the suitcase. By removing the resonator, the exhaust will be more free-flowing, and it'll also have a louder sound. But this is only the first mod. The second mod is a muffler delete axle-back from MBRP. The factory mufflers will be removed and replaced with this new axle-back. Both of these mods will really free up the exhaust and make it sound a lot louder. So now I'm gonna load up the exhaust in my trunk and head to the muffler shop. So this is the last time that I'll be driving the car with its stock exhaust. You know, it's really not that bad, but I do want it to be just a little bit louder to really have that muscle car sound to it. I'm really excited to get this exhaust installed. It's a perfect day. After I pick it up, I'm gonna take it out and do some video clips of what the new exhaust sounds like. All right, so here we are, about to drop the car off. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. It's supposed to be ready by 5 p.m. So I'm just gonna pull it in here. It looks like he's already got something in the shop. I don't know if this is a mistake or not. We're gonna find out. So I dropped the key off, and a few hours later, the new exhaust was installed.
If I had cut that up, then there wouldn't have been, you'd never reinstall that. Took that whole section, I took the whole section down and I put the manufactured H-pipe on, and then I had to build these pipes to come back to the tailpipes.
Okay.
It was either that or butcher the snot out of it, and then you would have had something that you would have had a heck of a time if you ever go to reinstall it.
Yeah, well, it looks real good.
This way, all you got to do is take those band clamps loose up there and take these two hanger brackets loose, take them off, and more or less that whole thing will just drop down.
Right.
And slide forward and fall off.
I get it.
And then you just put those back up, the mufflers back up in these two saddles here, set it back up, put those band clamps on, and then you put these back on and put the bolts back in it, and you're done.
Alright, so she's back on the ground. Another customer came, so I'm just kind of waiting here. Here's the stock mufflers. I don't know why Ford didn't make these tips like more shiny, you know, like the ones I have now. This is the suitcase I was talking about earlier.
Do you mind backing it up? Can you rev it too?
Once I get it out the door.
Okay. First time. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, it sounds so much better. Thanks so much.
Oh yeah. You've lost almost 100 pounds of weight.
100 pounds.
Yeah.
I feel bad not helping you with that.
Pretty close. So
you're gonna leave it there?
I'll just leave it there so you can come back and get it.
Okay.
All right.
Hopefully no one steals it, but.
Right.
It sounds so much better. Now he's putting another Mustang in there. Looks like a V6. I had a V6 like that. Mine was silver. All right, so I'm gonna go pay the guy and we're gonna give it a spin, so stay tuned. I'm so excited. Now I've got to drive with the windows down for the full effect. Got the key. Here we go. So much better. The whole car is like come alive. I can already tell. Let me get my sunglasses here. Okay, so I've got my windows down. I'm ready for my first drive in the mufflerless Mustang. It's louder, that's for sure. I like it. All right, so I'm about to go on the highway. I'll put the windows down. I'll take it wide open throttle. We'll see what it sounds like. All right, you ready? Here we go. So I'll tell you this, when I'm inside of the car, it's not as obtrusive as I thought it was going to be, but when he first backed that car up and gave it those revs, oh my goodness, it sounds so much better. Oh man, it's like a whole other car. Let me go under these overpasses here and really give it some gas. This will give you an idea. Downshifting. Ready? That is better. So I'm going to this back road here and I'm gonna put my camera on a tripod to give you an idea of what this car sounds like at wide open throttle. Yep, it's flooded. Well, the good thing is nobody's gonna be driving through here because of the flooding, so I got an idea. I'm gonna need some new tires here pretty soon. Alright guys, so I went back to the muffler shop, picked up the exhaust, and it's now safe and sound at home, so I don't have to worry about anybody stealing it. But now I'm back in the Mustang, and I'm gonna give you guys a few examples of what this car sounds like. You know, taking off, or, you know, driving by, that kind of thing. It sounds mean. So just a little bit ago, I was driving under that overpass, really giving it some gas to show you what it sounds like, and at that moment, a state highway patrol was coming onto the highway, and my heart just sank, but fortunately, he got right beside me. He just kept going then. I am so lucky. So basically, yeah, I really like this new setup. I don't think it's too loud inside of the cabin, but at the same time, it's super loud outside. So what do you guys think of this new exhaust setup? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching this video. There's more mods to come, so be sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new, and I also have an Instagram. You can check that out, link in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.